It's wet.
Yes. Well, it's November 20th. Probably my 30th time to go hunting this year. But I just have a feeling that the deer are gonna be moving. On X says it's probably gonna be good today, so going hunting again. I love it. It is time away from the family and all that, and that creates tension, but man, sometimes you gotta go hunt.
It's wet.
Plan A was to hunt next to this creek where I'd found a ton of buck sign earlier in the week. Pretty quickly abandoned that plan with how much rain we've been having. Instead, I start side hilling a deer trail in order to get back to my truck, making a big loop. A few moments later,
Go down. I got one. I just saw that it was a doe. It looked pretty big. Yes. Why is there a truck close by? I heard it blow, so they must have smelled me. I jumped them up from their bedding. They were bedded on this hill. There it is. Wow, that was close. It's probably that same truck. Doesn't look very big. Another yearling doe. Dang. Tell you what though, I am thankful to have it. I'm gonna get it gutted, drag it out to the road. It's been gutted and drained, and luckily the road is only a couple hundred yards that way, so it should be an easy drag. I'll check in with you guys at the truck. Picked her up. It's about 200-yard drag. Luckily, I was just angling back towards the road, straight down rain, that I'm fully soaked, and my boots finally got soaked. My feet were dry almost the whole time. Deer were bedded on the north side of that flat, and I heard a faint, you know what they do, when they blow. Heard a really faint blow, and I thought I turned my camera on instantly, but it came on right before the shot. But I saw 2 deer, and I think there was a third because there was a truck on this road that I'm on. They shot right after I did. That was the one that stood still. She stood still just long enough for me to get a shot off. This is a little bit last minute, but I bought this pulley system from Atwood's the other day. I'm gonna rig it up. Yeah, that doe, I think, was with 2 other deer, and she stopped where I could get a shot. I think one of the other deer ran off, and then a third deer ran towards the road. The guy in the truck shot, probably missed, because by the time I was dragging out, or I didn't hear them any door shut or anything. I think they shot and missed, kept driving. Sometimes you reuse these gloves. It's like, what was I doing that day? Heavy duty. Nitrile.
Did you use your saw?
Use my saw. No.
Heart shot?
Heart shot. Perfect heart shot.
Must have been arm a little bit. Did you grab right away?
She ran a few yards and dropped. She was done.
I just had no idea you were in here doing that.
Okay. I thought since I parked over here you would know something was going. Doing a bunch. I had to. My clothes are completely soaked. My phone quit working.
Well, that's exciting.
Yeah. I planned on sitting down by the creek, but the creek is flooding. So I'm like, are deer really going to come down here? So then I walked up that road a little bit, kept following deer trails higher up to this nice, I marked where I shot and where the deer was. So we'll be able to see it. Because I found a nice big scrape too when I was dragging it out on the old logging road. Wow. And 308 really does some damage. Entry, exit. I think this is the first deer I've ever cleaned totally by myself. And this is the first deer I killed with the 308 in about 21 years. So that's kind of cool. Up until this year, that was the only gun I ever really killed any large animals with. Trying to cramp up a little bit. I didn't have much today. I have a little bit more cleanup to do tomorrow, but this is pretty well done. Now I've got to go get some ice, pick up some burgers from the local burger joint, and we'll get this put in the cooler.
I mean, we don't get to eat the heart, which is our favorite part. It ended quick for the deer and didn't waste much meat. Gotta go get the ice. All right, I got the burgers, I got the ice. Let's eat, and then we'll put the deer on ice.
Why is it so warm right in here?
I'm trying to dry out my gear. My boots got completely soaking wet. And of course, everything else.
It's wet.
Thank y'all for watching. Next week, we review the Barra 400E Gen 2 electric BB gun. Full auto.
Those things are bouncing.